These ladybug magnets are so easy to make. Do you want to give it a try? You will need foam bars from the dollar store or a craft store, magnets, X-Acto knife or any knife, fast maché or celluclay from Michaels or any homemade paper pulp, acrylic paint, red, black and white, and varnish, which is optional. Get your foam ball, cut it in half with your knife, then put some maché on top, make it smooth, and take one of the magnets from the package and place it in the middle like that. Push it in and then just smooth the surface. Finish the other side. Make a small cut in the middle, add a ball for the head, and then make some tiny little balls for the spots. We made 7 spot ladybug. Just push them on, and once it's dry, you can go on with the paint. Start with the black color, then remove some of it for texture. Then the red goes on, and finally the black spots and the black head, and the white spots on the head. Once you're done, just try it on a metal piece or on your fridge, and that's it. A bunch of them also look nice on a shelf as home decoration. If you enjoyed this content and you would like to see more like this, please subscribe, like, comment, and share.